Guys, you're watching this YouTube video because you're having trouble with your multi-panel, right? And the main problem here is the monkey grip, the gorilla grip. You tried switching from HDG to CRS or to IAS and it just doesn't turn. There is a simple solution to that. What you actually require is a newspaper protecting your trousers from oil, not making your mother sick and shout, and you need a toilet paper roll. You take some toilet paper and carefully roll it over the knob. Take a multifunctional grip and carefully pull the knob up. Off it goes. Now you see the raw side of the switch. Into that switch, you put silicone spray. Silicone spray is especially designed to lubricate plastics and metal. You slightly do some silicone spray into that switch, carefully turn it several times, giving the lubrication time to go into the bearing. Take the knob, put it back on, and it turns slightly. No gorilla grip needed. So don't drill holes, don't put any levers in there, don't change anything, just lubricate it. Okay? Cool? Have fun.